Little storyteller.
Nimbus was a very special cloud. He wasn't gray and stormy. Nimbus was a happy, fluffy white cloud who loved to drift over sunny fields. Today, Nimbus floated above a bright, colorful building that smelled like yummy sweets. It was a candy factory. Inside, happy workers made all sorts of treats. Nimbus peeked down, curious about the sugary smells. Oh no! A big gust of wind tickled Nimbus, and he sneezed. Ah, choo! And out popped tiny little blocks. But these weren't ordinary blocks. They were colorful, small, and smelled like yummy fruit. Some were red like strawberries, some yellow like bananas, some green like apples, and some orange like juicy oranges. Nimbus didn't know what had happened, but he kept floating, and the tiny edible Lego-style bricks rained down below. Down below, in a sunny green park, lived a fluffy white bunny named Cottontail and a playful golden puppy named Wags. Cottontail was nibbling on a juicy clover, and Wags was chasing a bright blue butterfly, when suddenly, colorful little blocks started falling all around them. "What are these?" wondered Cottontail, twitching his pink nose. Wags wagged his tail excitedly, and sniffed a red block. It smelled sweet. He gave it a little lick. "Woof! Yummy!" he barked happily. Cottontail hopped closer, and tried a yellow one. "Oh, it tastes like banana," she squeaked with delight. Soon more and more of the fruity Lego-style bricks were falling. Cottontail and Wags started playing with the edible bricks. Wags built a little wobbly tower, and Cottontail made a colorful carrot shape. They giggled and shared the different flavored bricks, building and nibbling their creations. Other children in the park joined in, their eyes wide with wonder. They built houses and animals and silly hats, all from the fruity blocks. Nimbus, still floating above, saw all the happy faces below. He chuckled softly. It felt good to make others happy, even if it was by accident. As the sun began to set, the fruity rain stopped. The park was filled with amazing colorful creations, some half-eaten, all made with joy. Cottontail and Wags, tired but happy, snuggled together. The next day, the children remembered the fun they had building and sharing the fruity bricks. They learned that even something unexpected, like a cloud sneezing candy blocks, can lead to a day of joyful play, when everyone shares and creates together. Sharing makes fun even sweeter.
Please subscribe. Thank you.